Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Media, a case radio. Hey,
if you have a comedian,
can you do me? You're fine. But as a king, as usual, Yencha, ye tea for near chef for because of mana almost so you muka crack into but not say, also a chiomana who say be a cosui.
Nationwide.
We are pretty sure, say, and
nationwide sport
will be a train matches a hold most especially a case pane to that weekend no. Na no Saturday or more so eya so mre ni face kaka crowd fi ha sei ye ka Liverpool de ne chom so munyin from game na e de e be say na omunim se o by you know omo ya so me ni nyes kaka kra ken ma mention asem famfri game kase e call so e wo Etihad Manchester derby no Manchester City tina fi e 6 Manchester United share 3 Abrante friends say Holland about 3 goals Phil Foden Emma 3 goals Anthony Santos and Anthony Martial esusu benya 2 goals de Manchester United enti game ni nyina ba wie no na 9 goals na epiem Man City ashe 6 Manchester United ashe 3 everything say Manchester United ne Man City sha ase so musi akan we kan wa Manchester City ashe 6 goals at the DAT Manchester United 1926 almost say 6-1 against Manchester 2011 and say why always me you say 6-1 call so and a weekend says 3 akoso enti weekend says 3 na akoso no the third timer Man City share Manchester United o ma kan goals in 6 e dey gu Manchester United atinem but game kenoche game akoso ne pair ya Man City dominate possession against Manchester United enye news because in neji to mu say so we ebo ko na akosia Manchester City in the Premier League Man City be dominate possession Manchester City for create a lot of chances and share any news bebre Man City for a lot of touches a lot of passes any news bebre because na ye nim say sa game we no sa na be say Man City for no e be create a lot of chances on be dominate possession so we be kai Saturday na make catch us say Manchester United mum and a yebo boku a was so mo pe kwan on befa so a contain team e friends Manchester City because Man City for na ye favorite so be winning and to say o ko game biam na ba ko ye favorite why you hu say unye favorite no o na was say o plan na o neutralize your opponent to your favorite no and na ye kire say ye wo kwan me fa ye fa so e Man City team no de di kan e PLP de to so nyemu so be you so me to low block no counter and na so be typical low block. By game a course where Etihad, the first 45 minutes, Papa friend say Eric Ten Hag decided say, obey you to 2 defensive line. Obey say defend it from the middle and midway. Majority of Manchester United defensive approach in the first 45 minutes was set on be defended from the midfield. But Oche game na course wa Papa friend say Pep Guardiola will say game we ankasa was so dominating the central progression. And Pep Guardiola decided say obe form triangle centrally and the triangle no obe form no obe yusu gunduwan our the base our side diamond no forming in the middle obe yusu Calvin De Bruyne Bernardo Silva Holland our side diamond shape centrally and to form diamond in the central midfield and it's a game na cause majority of Manchester City for attack no for the central midfield and it's a what a kick game cause na Man City for nkwano omo middle attack no 77 and Chelsea say based on sa diamond midfield shaper Pep Guardiola create no nothing my friends Man City for 8 me create a lot from the center midfield area and it's what take Man City bobo na kino munya 77% from the central midfield area omo the ball if fin kese pa because Pep e designing say obebo a diamond midfield and to use Gunduwan e won finfio o yusu Haaland won finfio o yusu Bernardo Silva or say yusu Calvin De Bruyne e won finfio ana mo de yeye and at the amount team friends Manchester United you imagine some be na say obey the mid to low block until you game na nkasa pa team friends Manchester United e shall say defend it to mid to low block 4-2-3-1 anytime be as Manchester United for defend here or mo defend it from the midfield 4-2-3-1 ade o ye na ye mistake kese was so yes obekoma marking against Manchester City and then the biggest mistake in the first 45 minutes are Eric Ten Hag here Some mid to low block approach no yes for the ball against Manchester City no perfect because majority of teams are making stop Pep Guardiola team no me use mid to low block, but the biggest mistake was say obey man marking. Who kwa kwesi team or pass it, who kwa kwesi team or dominating in terms of chance creation, or then the passes network never create chances. So young man marking. Proud to the game. That was Thursday. Now you're crying first for stop Man City team. They say, oh, yeah, man marking against Man City. That's the reason why I saw further reading about team or Pebo Nikra, a passing gamer, yeah, man marking. By Eric Ten Hag decided say, can obey man marking. And the problem I cover by any say, oh, yeah, man marking now, it is space and ever. And it create a lot of passing lanes for team of friends Man City. Because of a man marking. And a team now in the ball, obey pass it. And you stop the passing lanes. And passing lanes, no lanes are born a bit more for Aqua could do the target man. But Manchester United decided to say, obey a man marking, which are wrong on the part of Eric Ten Hag. Nay, tactical error. Obi in football, be aware a lot of research about football tactics. But catch say, so who could share team or pep passing? Yan man marking. By a close passing lane, you stop all the angles, any zones or the ball never fall. But Manchester United decided say, or become man marking, which are wrong. And to case I'll take it first 45 minutes. Now check when I go in the fast by. Let's check his paces a hold by. The first goal who was still Foden. Well, when you would tell him, we won't to meet TV in Facebook beyond okay. At the time I feel Foden J-Bo, I have been your first goal. So what checking the space and Manchester United defenders and Manchester United players. I'm a Manchester City for now. Na space needs to be free. And to ball ni craft for them no. So what checking horizontally? Na space near 36 meters. And now checking vertically so near 14 meters. Manchester United and now imagine say omo man marking no. Omo a lot of spaces for Manchester City Football Club say bet me use some spaces no and they are passing and the first goal nearby no obi up time about ni craft for them. Na check his space hold one our Manchester United team ni. Six of Manchester United players and one man casa box him but be no all closing the passing lane and feel for the Eddie Ball Kwakoma Calvin Dubai and to check the space at the ho kakraka but we decided somewhere man marking which are wrong.
That's all your numbers are United or Bolsonaro.
Good because we man marking but against City they closely passing lanes because some of the passes network na be adwuma and to ball ni craft for the no obi no close lane no ken lane kese Abrante friend say Bruno Fernandes na nanti no. Bruno Fernandes nanti you close passing lanes. But only team of passing nebo. Entirely now yes have big mistake no. At the time I for the ball no betim the ball na fa lane him akọ pass ball no. A lot of spaces and generate the first goal. For the messenger into his space na nkwa dem. Obi no create the o close passing lane. Error from the coach. Yenye man marking against Man City, you close passing lanes. The second goal Kona na Holland say no. Na Christian Eriksen and ne Holland gina ho. But again, Holland ever run into space. I'll jump it Dalo. And as come McTominay. Again, there is nobody closing that passing lanes. Sa zone space no obi am close for Manchester United proud to the second goal. And Holland I'll jump it two players now they want to twat him. And Tiasa create space be obi an close space no Man City at their second goal. Again, check the third goal. Time about new Jack Grealish. Christian Eriksen jina ho, Calvin De Bruyne jina ho no. Obi an close Calvin De Bruyne. Ye nyina nim say the main creative midfielder for Manchester City Football Club Calvin De Bruyne. But obi an close no. And a creative passing lane. And so what check the meters Calvin De Bruyne nya ball no, check the meters. I don't move. Between Calvin De Bruyne and Malasia, 9 meters. Between Jadon Sancho, Calvin De Bruyne, 9 meters. Christian Eriksen, Calvin De Bruyne, 30 meters. And to say Calvin De Bruyne, J. Bono, proud to the third goal, no meters, any space that Calvin De Bruyne Manchester United plays him, no, a minimum of 9 meters. Oh, no space impossible, no, and no space, oh, him say. So the ball need two space Holland bet tomorrow and the ball na kwa kutum. And as a typical advanced modern playmaker. Calvin De Bruyne betima connect ball no to Holland where the play all the pass ne to because Holland be running into space akwa another space near their mom inclusive passing lanes and two also saw in the first 45 minutes to my friends at Manchester City 4 goals a error from the coach approach was right but I said also close passing lanes in the second half. Manchester United decided say on call the mid to low block beam. And the second half will be a game be no society by Manchester United. Adia Manchester United here in the second half, you say, obey you so PLP. And now no certain number show PLP. Play and let me play. BM, Obiambo, Obian creative chances. And the second half, Manchester United use the PLP. And the second half, Manchester United dominated City. Second half, Manchester United any 9 attempts as compared to first half of 2. Second half, Manchester United be 3 goals. And the second half, Manchester United BM able PLP. But again, Oman Sam Kurusi passing lanes, a lot of spaces, and a big goals nebaba. And it's a check the field goal. Hola Sasha, the same thing. No one is closing the passing lanes. And to check it be a hola jinano. At the time I bought Nukra, a Grealish mo, a pass abano, be a hola jina, or be a closing hola. There is a huge gap. I pass Nibeti Mako.
But I did back based on analysis now. United were numbers were cheap. We at this stage. City was just 3. United was saying
United
7.
Yes,
including the goalkeeper.
Yes. Reason is say coach na catch say omon command mark. And omo focus e player.
Okay.
By playing against City, Pep Guardiola believe in passing football. And say wo kwashia City ayen command mark. Obe press omo obe close passing lanes. And omo je ball na omo de press na omo nya kwan a obesa de akonachi na a reduce chance creation. But Manchester United focus was on the players, not closing the passing lanes. And the time na easy say omo pass ya na di go ba. And to mistake Manchester United here ni na say approach is no use here no. First half mid to low block 4-2-3-1. Second half PLP approach is good. By Kwenya Belfast we defending was wrong. Man marking against Man City in Sida. The reason why I almost say 6 goals. And a better friend say Holano. Can I likely so be for 2 goals? Me no can say you bought 8 games in the Premier League. One of 14 goals. Or the Nitias you bought 8 games. 8 games. One of 14 goals. Or the Nitias 3. The 9 flash 2. The 9 Benkuma 9. Total was 14 goals. Last season, so you mean any Mohamed Salah and a G Gokin England almost 23 goals. Me now can say Holland as 14. Aka just some few goals, 9 goals. No at your more. You bought just 8 games. Likely or be 23 no.
Oh yeah.
Likely so be 23. Because last season, Sonny Salah did 23 goals na say. You bought 8 games, player na 14 goals. Like
we have something in Nottingham Forest.
Obesha lot of goals. And the first player wabo hat-trick will fear atwaso miensa Hola. By Calvin De Bruyne so yen kan ho asem sa. Ken. Ni role na obono. Advanced modern playmaker role. Yen tan nya bi. Omo ne from fantasistas. Omo ye fantasista. Advanced playmaker role. Modern one. Check the number of creativity at Calvin De Bruyne in the game. Or combining goals and creativity. Advanced modern playmaker, fantasista.
Nationwide.
And Calvin De Bruyne. And to the city for nature and the king who now kwaya. Now one close passing lanes are on betro. Arsenal share 3. Tottenham share 1. And also results in Yamawa because now it was expected say Arsenal be share 3-1, Arsenal be winning game no. But dear me need say what titan we say. Can me as a pundit. Me pe quotisa omusua de. Me pe quotisa omu study omu opponent no man neutralize it. Se wo ko sha Antonio Conte team Tottenham na ho den pa ne say obe creative from the wide. Obe use counter football, obe unbalance defense. And clearly so she game e course na no early kick off na. Arteta study Antonio Conte team no. And to massa chance creation omu creative from the wide no. To so you mean to Richarlison to Hurricane anchor. And to between these 3 deadly attackers no, combine just 4 shots on target. Richarlison ya 1. So you need crowd when you shot on target. And Hurricane in your 2. And to the chain say, team and friends Arsenal neutralize the chance creation from the wide area. Pini Tottenham 4 players and say to be provided with no and creating fan comma song you mean Richarlison and a Hurricane. The tossing you. Anytime Biana Hurricane be drop centrally. I na dey say obey unbalancing of defense Biano. ade Ateta ye said this time all man center backs nim follow Hurricane but be you Granit Xhaka ene Partey afolo na the two center backs no Saliba the brother Santos are free and maintaining the defensive shape of Arsenal Football Club and we came for Arsenal and almost counter attacking threats no almost stopping no and the best way to stop counter attacking threats is mid block. Because we are further reading about mechanizing of defense, the high, the low, the middle. The most balanced, it neutralizes obi obo counter-attacking football biano. The mid block. And Arsenal the mid block. And the ball game in your counter-attacking threats. Tottenham Yabakope. We neutralize. For chance creation, team my friends has any problem. Goal scoring no any problem. And the idea Ateta ye ni yepani say or Kati. Team my friends are Tottenham off. And Partey classic goal.
Part in the best game, Anna. So the amount for Sikano. Yeah. Obas, and I said the best game.
One of the best.
Saturday.
One of the best. By
one game be our watching since Obas na.
But also weekend so game no boy ne wasro. E bet me nko for be adwen. One say Oba Premier League outside the box, wa box shot in 57. Saturday na no timi shegu.
57.
Yes.
Shots.
Emu 10 and I on target. And a Saturday they no dinya go. About 57 shots outside the box.
So Bana and I'm in chain.
Yes. By a perfect moment to score that goal no, was against main rival. Team my friend say Tottenham inti yambo patabas nyambo Arsenal for but they say the aka was na say Osia City, Osia Liverpool, Osia Chelsea obitima je points e dey free omo. And Barcelona associate mo ma. So that first o.
Maba first.
Barcelona.
Ghanaian players no dey omo boy juma pa. Bon now mo ne omo born the week here na che say you bet anything in Asia. Am bia come out.